Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off vibration sound for incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, we need to go down and tap on vibration intensity. On the last option here, tap on vibration sound for incoming calls. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it back on. Now set up avoid missed calls by playing a sound to make vibrations louder. So I would assume this will somehow make your phone alert louder with using the vibrations on your device. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or tap on the home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.